have the 10 colors of our house all, you can see them all right in this section here. I'll start with the crabapple wine. Then this is the slate court. This is the regal plum. This is grandma's linen in here. This over here is gilded linen in here. This is the twilight mauve in here. This is called Carriage House right here. They changed the name. They used to have Fioli Carriage House. Then we go up here and you can see they now call this Northern Juniper. When we first bought it, it was called Woodland Juniper. Here we have our Plum Legacy. And let's see, here we have our Garnet Dust. And that's our 10 colors.
And what company is this?
Valspar.
Great. Okay, that's our colors.